Be gentle. What are you doing? Let's go get them. Go get those balloons. Go get those balloons. Go get them.
Mommy, watch what I can do.
Okay. Good job. Get him, Cooper.
I can even balance them on my head.
Cool.
And sometimes I can't catch them.
Y'all know where their big remote is?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I don't.